Have you ever noticed that the things you used to love just don't hit the same anymore? Video games feel boring. Scrolling on social media is mindless. Even hanging out with friends isn't as fun as it used to be. You're not lazy or broken. You're experiencing something called dopamine desensitization, and it's silently killing your motivation and joy. Let me explain what's going on inside your brain in under 5 minutes. Dopamine is a chemical in your brain that controls motivation, pleasure, and reward. It spikes when you expect something rewarding, like eating junk food, getting a like on Instagram, or playing your favorite game. But here's the trick. It's not just about pleasure. Dopamine is about the anticipation of pleasure. It's what drives you to act. And every time you feel the same excitement you felt the first time, your brain starts expecting that level of reward. In today's world, we are bombarded with instant gratification. One swipe, one click, one notification. Your brain gets a little hit of dopamine. But too much of it, too often, can cause dopamine receptors to downregulate. In simple terms, your brain stops responding to dopamine the way it used to. This is why things feel dull, your baseline is messed up. Like turning up the volume so loud that eventually you can't hear anything unless it's blasting. The scary part? This leads to what's called anhedonia, the inability to feel joy from things that used to be pleasurable. You don't want to read. You can't focus. You feel tired, bored, and stuck, even though nothing bad is happening. This is why you keep jumping from one distraction to another, but nothing satisfies you. But I have some good news. You can fix this, but you have to interrupt the cycle. It's called a dopamine detox or reset. For 24 hours, or even just a few, cut out all high-stimulation activities. No social media, no junk food, no games. At first, it feels incredibly boring, but that's the point. You're lowering your dopamine back to normal levels so your brain can find joy in simple things again. You were never lazy. You were overstimulated. Your brain was just trying to survive in a world that never lets it rest. Reset your dopamine. Take back control. And remember what joy is supposed to feel like.